Do you know many people are having trouble with determining the correct load capacity for their Miele W 3224 washing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Load maximum. The Miele W 3224 washing machine can handle a maximum of 6.0 kg of dry laundry. Step 2. Fabric guidelines. For different fabrics, use these guidelines: cottons up to 6.0 kg, minimum iron up to 3.0 kg, delicates up to 2.0 kg, mixed loads up to 3.5 kg, and dark garments up to 3.0 kg. Step 3. Avoid overloading. Avoid overloading the machine to prevent creases and ensure efficient cleaning. Step 4. Mix items. Mix both large and small items to help distribute the load evenly during spinning. Step 5. Check seal. Ensure no items are caught between the drum door and seal before starting the machine. Step 6. Select program. Select the suitable program for your laundry type to achieve optimal cleaning results. Now you should be able to load your Miele W 3224 washing machine correctly for the best washing results. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Miele users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.